Welcome to Willard Public Library's virtual Crafternoon. On this episode, we're going to be making simple glass gem magnets. Craft kits for this project are available at the Adult Services desk at Willard Public Library while supplies last. Each kit includes 7 flat-sided 1-inch glass gems, 7 round magnets, 7 pieces of decorative scrapbook paper, a small container of matte formula ModPodge and a flat paintbrush, and a pencil. You will also need 1 pair of scissors. Glue is optional because you can use your ModPodge as your adhesive. To get started, take one of your glass gems and place it on top of one of your pieces of scrapbook paper, then with your pencil, trace around it. Be strategic about where you lay your glass gem on the paper. Make sure that you like the pattern that's underneath. Repeat this 7 times and you should end up with 7 circles. When you're finished tracing, take your scissors and cut around each one. You don't need to worry too much about making your circles perfect. Once we attach our glass gems, you'll have an opportunity to trim around the edges. Once you've cut out your 7 circles, take your ModPodge and your flat paintbrush and paint a very thin layer of ModPodge on the flat side of your glass gem. Next, take one of your paper circles and lay it pattern side down into the ModPodge. Give it a squeeze and set it aside to dry. After your ModPodge has had a chance to dry completely, you can take your scissors and clean up your paper edges. The final step of the process is to add your magnets. So take your glass gem, put a little bit of ModPodge or other adhesive on the back side, and lay your round magnet on top. Just a side note, when you set these aside, you will want to put them far enough away from each other so that they don't magnetize together. Let your adhesive dry and your colorful glass gem magnets are ready for the fridge.